Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing the villager from Minecraft. This one's going to be a super easy and fun drawing, so come join us. Everyone, let's get started with the villager from Minecraft. So first thing we're going to do is start with his head, and we're going to draw a rectangle, leaving a tiny bit of space on top and more on the side. So let me draw it first and I'll show you guys. So here I drew the rectangle for his head. Like I said, we left a little bit of space on top, more on the sides. It's a long rectangle, horizontal line, vertical lines that stop at the same point, and horizontal line. Cool. Now let's continue with the details of his face, because that's going to help us do everything else. What we're going to do first, we're going to do his eyebrow. His eyebrow is just like a straight line. So we're going to leave space for his forehead. Here I'm going to draw a horizontal line, leaving a tiny bit of space on each side. His eyebrow is a rectangle, so from this horizontal line, I did 2 short vertical lines and then 1 more horizontal line to close this off. So there we have his eyebrow. Attached to his eyebrow are his eyes. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to continue this vertical line and make it longer. And we'll do it to both sides. And then we're going to come in. We're going to make a vertical line that stops at the same height. And then we're gonna make a square, so we're just gonna make 1 horizontal line to connect these 2 lines on the left side and then 1 on the right side. Cool, so the details for his eyes are vertical lines on the inside, and we're gonna just make it a little bit more skinnier, not in the middle, if that makes sense. So I did this more towards the left, and then this one I'm just gonna do a little bit more towards the right. There we have his eyes. Cool, so then the next thing we could do is his nose. And his nose is attached to his eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue this horizontal line like this. And we're gonna make 2 long vertical lines, leaving space at the bottom. There, same height for this one. And then we'll close it off with a horizontal line for his nose. And then the details of his face are, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come from his nose and we're gonna make a horizontal line, leaving space on the side. We'll do the same thing to the right side. And then we're gonna come up with a small vertical line and then a horizontal line connecting to the side of his face. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. And then the following details is we're gonna leave some space right here, which would look like his mouth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue this vertical line down just a little bit, leaving some space still. And then I'm gonna do a horizontal line and we're gonna make another rectangle. And then from here, we're gonna copy this same design and we're just gonna do it thinner. So I'm gonna continue here, come up with a little vertical line and then a horizontal line, and I'll do the same thing on the right side. Cool, so there we have the details of his face. Super easy, and then we could continue with his body. So we're gonna do his shoulders and like his arms, and what we're gonna do is this horizontal line that we made, like the top of like his beard or whatever it is, we're gonna continue it, and I'm gonna make a horizontal line that goes out that much. This is like half of what was left, and I'll do the same thing on the right side. And then from these points, we're gonna make diagonal lines that go down. They're not big diagonals, so look. It's a diagonal line. It's not super diagonal, but it still is, and I'll do the same thing on the right side. And then I stopped it at the same height because what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 1 horizontal line to connect the 2 points. And I'm gonna turn my paper just because it's easier for me. Cool, there we have like where his arms are, and then we could continue with the rest of his body. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in with a diagonal line. So we went out with a diagonal line and we're gonna come in with one. And this one's super short. So I'm gonna do one here, just like this, and I'll do the same design on the left side. We're gonna mirror the design, and then we're also gonna draw another horizontal line to connect these points. So there we have the upper part of his body. Look how far we're coming along, and it's going super fast. It also looks super 3D, which is cool. So hopefully you guys are having fun. Please like and subscribe. Let's continue with the rest of his body, his legs and his feet. So for his body, where his head stopped, we're gonna start his body. So what I mean is where this line, how wide it goes, we're gonna come down. Imagine that we're passing through, and then I'm gonna make a point here because I know that it's gonna start here, and I'll do the same thing on the right side here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 long vertical lines from these points, leaving space at the bottom for his legs and his feet. And then we're gonna make a horizontal line to close this off. This is an easy drawing. It's a lot of boxes, squares, rectangles. It's gonna go by super fast. So now we could do his legs. And for his legs, they're also gonna be squares. This one's a rectangle, but we're gonna do squares and it's gonna come in just a little bit more. So what I mean by that is instead of coming from this point, we're gonna come in a little bit and I'm gonna make a vertical line. So we did that vertical line. We could just continue all the way down the paper and we'll do the same thing on the right side. And super easy. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle of everything, we're gonna do 1 long vertical line. So I'm gonna come in the middle of his body and his legs and I'm just gonna do 1 long vertical line all the way down to the bottom of the paper. And then to separate his legs from his shoes or his feet, we're gonna do a horizontal line more towards the bottom of the paper. Just like this. We left more space for his legs and his feet. Cool. There we have his feet. Then we can continue with the designs of his body. What we're gonna do is on his body, we're gonna make another vertical line and we're just gonna leave a little bit of space in between. I will do the same thing on the left side. If you guys need a ruler, grab a ruler. I should probably use a ruler, but it's okay, I'm having fun. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue these lines on top on the right side for now. So we're almost done, guys, we're almost there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue these lines on the right side. So we'll do that middle line and we'll go a little bit more than halfway and we'll do the outside like this. I stopped it at the same height, but what I will do is from this point, I'm gonna go to the left where this line started. So if I come up, I'm gonna start right here, right? Because this is where this line continues if we were to draw it. Here I'm gonna draw a horizontal line and then just a regular vertical line to where his face is. And this little curve, we're gonna do it on the right side. We're just gonna do it higher. So I'm gonna continue this vertical line just a little bit and then horizontal and then to his face. And there we have it, guys. There we have the villager from Minecraft. He looks super 3D and super cool. The fun part starts now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils we have, and let's color them in. Stay tuned for the final look. All right, everyone, and here we have the villager from Minecraft. Look how cool he looks. Hopefully he's one of the nice villagers. But if you could tell, on this part of the body, on this crease of the body, I used a darker brown just so it looks like it's popping out more and it's 3D. Used it on his legs, and then these separations of his clothes and like where his arms are, it's like a really dark brown with his eyebrows. And yeah, so hopefully you guys found this one fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy. Please stay tuned for more of our cool drawings and please like and subscribe to the channel and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.